Alright, so here is the wig. I know they said HD lace, but this is clearly not HD lace. It is transparent lace. You can see it is a 13 by 6, so that part is correct, but it's definitely transparent lace. And I can show you guys. It's still a good one. I can work with this, but HD lace is much thinner, and it has the frills at the end. This is the excess lace that I cut out from right here, and you can see it has like a little brown tint. So not bad at all, nothing, no problems at all, but just to let y'all know. Let's put this on. Here is what it's looking like, really nice. I did pluck it and I bleached the knots. The knots bleached very quick, so that was great. And this is what it's looking like. I love how I feel like it's pretty dark compared to other wigs, and I'm wearing black and it still looks dark, so that's a good thing. But here it is. I'm definitely going to make it a little lower than my actual hairline just because I don't want any glue touching my hair, but let me just mark the dots, then we'll get to installing. And I don't think I'm going to put any color on the lace because right now it's matching pretty well, but I'll tint it after it's on my head. Yeah, because I like this look right here. So I marked out where I'm gluing the lace, so you guys can see that. And yeah, don't judge me, I'm making this a bit lower. I just don't want any glue touching my edges, and I feel like as I get older, my edges are being sensitive, so let's be careful. Just getting alcohol, wiping that space up. I know I didn't show my like bald cap method, but I'm using like the new HD lace caps, and I really like them. Really thin. So now I'm gonna use a bolt hold. This is the Alonzo Arnold edition. It's the same thing. It just has like a little lemon scent, and this is what I've been using. So I'm gonna do about 3 layers. So now that everything is all stuck, I'm just gonna put the melting band on. This West Kisses is actually came in the box with some other stuff as well. I think a bonnet and another band and a wig cap too. And I'm just gonna keep this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And that should be enough. Oh, okay, be back in literally a second. All right, we should be good now. Love, love, love. So now, time to cut the lace. I don't think I'm gonna be plucking anything. I feel like it's pretty plucked well, but let's cut the lace first, just using an eyebrow razor. I'm just gonna cut the rest of the lace off camera, but I'm just doing the same exact thing that you just saw me do. Okay, so I ended up cutting the excess lace off, and I re-glued some areas that needed a bit more glue. So in the meantime, I am gonna do a side part for this look. So let's just get the side part started. The part will be over here. I don't know, I low-key want to do a middle part, but I just did a middle part. It's okay, let's do a side part, but everything to this side. So I'm going to start from here using some wax and a hot comb. My wax is my Beauty by Delina wax, and that's literally all I'm going to do. I just work in small sections. This is what it's looking like.